Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is MJBC News Kenya, and at this juncture I want to take you to the shores of Lake Victoria right now. Maybe before I proceed, let me know if you've ever been there in the recent times. How was the environment? How was your experience? And what about your feeling towards the place? One of the things that you should know is that Lake Victoria in the Western and the Nyanza provinces, basically known as the Western Economic Bloc, is one of the coolest places. It has a very cool breeze and air arising from the lake, which makes it suitable for the tourists arriving there. But something you should be aware of is that motorboats do not operate when the lake is overflooded, and also when the wind storms are high. This is done only to prevent accidents in the lake. I'm going to take a very short commercial break, but when I come back, I'll explain to you and show you a lot of pictures on how the motor riders manage to earn a living while in the lake. My name is Kasim Mustafa. Keep watching MJBC, and in meantime, we shall be back with many more